Hello boys and girls, I'm going to start showing you how to start switching your backdrops and to have it look like the guy is talking and going through the different backdrops. So I'm going to click on the bin, and the first thing I always do when I'm coding is I start with an event, and after I start with the event, I start with my go-to position. So this is a good habit to get into, to always start with this piece of code, so that way you always start where you want it to start. So now that we've done that, now I'm going to start with, this is the castle backdrop. So I'm going to come over here to my looks button, and there is a button here that says switch backdrop. Now on this one, you don't really want the one that says next backdrop. You want to be able to know which one's which, so you know how to say it. So I'm going to say switch the backdrop to forest. So that's how we're starting. And then you're going to come over here back to your looks, and you're going to bring out a say, and then you're going to say something like, I am in an enchanted forest. Okay, and so now we're at this one. So now after he says that for 2 seconds, or you can change the time if you need to, if you need longer time, then I'm going to come back over here and I'm going to say switch the backdrop. And now do you see this little drop down menu? So now you can do which one you want. So let's say I did forest first, so maybe I'll just do mountain. So now I click it, it switches to the mountain. And now I'm going to bring this back over here and say something about this spot. So I'm going to say that is a cool cave. Okay, so now I've done that, so I'm going to bring this back up here, switch the backdrop to jungle. And now after you switch the backdrop, then you are going to say something again. So I just want to make sure I know what the jungle looks like, so I'm just going to take this piece of code right there and click it. So that's the jungle, and then I can reattach. Okay, so I'm going to say switch the backdrop to jungle, and then I'm going to say something like, I bet there is a bat in here. And then you're just going to keep doing this until you go through all of your backgrounds. So you're going to say switch backdrop, say something. Switch backdrop, say something. So now when I click the flag, I'm in enchanted forest. This is a cool cave. I bet there's a bat in here. And then, as you notice, it only did 3 backgrounds. I have 8, so I would keep doing this pattern throughout the rest until I get through all of my backdrops. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to add in your surprise.